Once again, What's in Store is coming to you from Premier Urgent Care here on Jackson Street, right next to Chick-fil-A. Today we're visiting with Carrie West, and Carrie's going to talk about the level of expert care you can expect here.
Well, we try to offer a broader range of services. We have Dr. Sharma here. He's been in the ER for about 16 years. I've been in the ER for about 18 years, about 10 years of it as a nurse practitioner. We have another nurse practitioner on staff. She's been in the ER for 10 years herself, and so we have pretty broad range of experience and able to recognize serious things when they need to be transferred out, which we can do from here.
Okay, so let's talk a little bit, because you keep making reference to your emergency room experience, and this is an urgent care clinic. Let's help folks understand kind of the difference between those two facilities.
Well, I think an urgent care center would be something that you think you could go see your doctor for today or tomorrow. We can certainly handle any of that. Things that you wouldn't want to come here for, if you have a cardiac history, a known heart attack in the past, and you're having crushing chest pain, real short of breath, you want to go to the ER for that. If you had fallen and you'd hit your head and bleeding profusely and you're kind of out of sorts, you'd want to probably go to the ER for that and not come here. But most other things we can handle here. We can do sutures, we can put splints on, and we can run a broad range of tests, including CBCs and chemistries and clotting studies and cholesterol testing and things like that. We can do the simple tests like flu swabs, streps, RSVs, and H. pylori and things like that.
So let's talk a little bit about the qualifications of the staff here.
Well, all of us here are ACLS certified. We could run a code and intubate people if we have to. We do have a crash cart here, an EKG machine, and we could get people stabilized and certainly transfer to the ER pretty quickly.
So Carrie, let's tell folks the different ages that you serve and the different services that you provide.
Oh, we see everyone from little babies all the way to the geriatric population. We can put IVs in little babies and run fluids if we need to, as well as the geriatric population. We have IV antibiotics that we can do. We can give fluids and we can give diuretics to those with congestive heart failure if need be. And so we can pretty much handle all age groups.
Okay, well we got to keep making sure that people understand where you're located, what your hours of operations are.
Okay, well, we're right on Jackson Street, right next door to Chick-fil-A. Our hours of operation are 9 until 8 p.m. Monday through Friday. On Saturdays, we're open 9 to 6. And on Sundays, we're presently open 12 to 6, but we're thinking of expanding that to 10 to 6.
So if you have a health care need, Premier Urgent Care, they can give you urgent, quick care. They can give you affordable care. It's convenient. So make sure when you have a need, you check them out. That's Premier Urgent Care, and that is today's edition of What's in Store.